Nessa Sunshine here, and today we're getting into this purple eye look with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. So if you want to see how to get this purple look, well, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the tutorial. I will be starting this tutorial with my brows and a set base. If you want to see how I do this, well, you can go ahead and click up there. First, we'll go in with eccentric, and I'll use the 221 Zoeva Luxe Crease brush. I'm taking a very light amount of eccentric. I don't want it to be too strong, but I do want it there. So with my one dip into eccentric, I'm just going to blend it back and forth. Now I'm using the very tip of my brush straight onto the eyelid, blending in back and forth swiper motions, and I will use some circular motions on the outer corner. Go ahead and add a little bit of eccentric to the other side. Next, we'll mix Soul and Volatile together, and I will be using the Zoeva 134 Luxe Powder Fusion brush. I want to make sure to get more Soul than Volatile, and I would suggest, if you're following along, to keep that in mind as well. So I'm going to take the very tip and base of the brush right onto my eyelid. I'm blending it in swiper motion starting in the center. I'm going to move back and forth, taking even more of Soul. This is starting to kind of look like my sunset eye look. For the outer corner, I will go into a semicircle and use the very tip base of the brush onto the eyelid. So I'm going to do this to the other eye, and then we'll get into our purple vibrant shimmer, which I'm so excited about. So yeah, I'm so excited to put the purple. We're gonna have a purple eye look. It's gonna be extra purple. Well, do that to the other side, and we'll get into the shimmer shade. And for our shimmer shade, we'll go into Celestial, and I'll be using the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease brush. So I am taking a blending brush into the shimmer shade, and I'm coating the sides of the brush in Celestial. So spray, spray, spray. If you've been watching my last few tutorials, I'm kind of doing the same technique. I'm taking my shimmer right onto the lid in the same way I do my shimmer shadows. I'm taking and swiping the brush with the sides of the brush. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Yeah, go right in with a spray. Don't be afraid to spray your brush a few times. That will help you get the shimmer of your dreams. Oh, I'm super excited. I'm gonna take more of Celestial, and I'm gonna spray, 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 spray. And I'm just gonna swipe all over the lid, and I'm moving up into the crease, above the crease, going back down, staying in the center. I am going to move it inward a little bit, and I am using more of the side and the tip of the brush. And I'm going over the center now of the creases, above the crease area, and then over here as well. I'm going to use some semicircle motions to gently blend the rest of the shimmer left over here in the outer corner. I don't want to bring it too far. I don't want there to be just a line. I think I want to add even more Celestial just to get even more of vibrant purple and shine with the shimmer. And just continue to add as much of Celestial as you deem necessary. If you want less, then don't put as much. Once you have done this eye, go ahead and add Celestial to the other side. So I went ahead and popped on my favorite lashes, the Lotus Lashes Yarzabeth Lash. So I'm actually adding a liner right on top of the lashes to give an extra oomph. You don't have to do that, but this is the Roller Lash from Benefit, in case you were wondering. I'm not adding a wing, but I am giving just an extra definition to the lash line. You can pop on some lashes, put on mascara, do your face makeup. Let's go from this into a makeup miracle. And here we have a miracle moment with the face on. Lips are last today. I will tell you then what I will be wearing. We're going to take Incense, this shadow right here, and I will use the Precision Shader Brush from the Noble White Rose brush collection. Going all over the lower lash line, blending just back and forth. Make sure to do this to both sides, and if you want, you can add highlight to the inner corner. You don't have to. I'm actually trying this new primer and mascara from Marc Jacobs. This is their Velvet Primer to their Velvet Mascara. So go ahead and put on your mascara. You do not have to use a primer like I did, but just so you know, I put the primer on first, and then I put on the mascara, which actually, oh, I like it. Make sure, of course, to put the mascara on the other side. For lips, I will be using the Nabla Velvet line in Closer. On top of Closer, I will be using the lipstick in Chloe. And that is the end of this tutorial using the ABH Norvina palette. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, make sure, of course, to like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, why not, @nessachicas. And that completes this video for today. I will see you guys next time. Bye! Bye now.